Yeah, but I don't really know about this lifestyle, but I know that I gotta keep a pole. Tell me that you love me, it's a lie, the streets is cold. Birdies in the trap, but I ain't talking about my crows. No, the beat doesn't sound the same. We can't use this version. That's what, like, I'm trying to do it, but it doesn't sound the same. We probably should just use the YouTube version, because, like, I'm here trying to do it, and I'm just like, it just doesn't sound the same. Rather be alone, do not understand. Money man, never broke again, stack it by the grand. Never losing now, sell it by the gram. Hand to hand, drop 16 bars, now you tell me I'm too much. Get to the room, only gotta take your shoes off. Don't gotta say a word, cause you know I'ma do ya. Grab you by your neck, you ain't looking for smooth love. Then you look me in my eyes and tell me I'm ruthless. Yeah, but I don't really know about this lifestyle, but I know that I gotta keep up poor. Tell me that you love me, it's a lie.
Fully Murdoch in the cut. Make sure you guys subscribe to Fully Murdoch. Make sure it's official. In the studio, working on music. Cloudy in the cut. Make sure you guys check him out on Instagram. Instagram will be down below. Too official as the brand. Too official Fully Murdoch in the studio. What's today? I don't even know. It's October something. Halloween's coming up. We're working on music. We're gonna drop it on the label soon. So get ready for that.
And I wanna get closer. Yeah. Pretty brown skin when your waist like your vibe and your smile. And I wanna get closer. Late night calls on the phone, haven't talked in a while. Baby girl, come over. First time taking big wood, I won't break your spine. I will move slower. No matter how you twist and you turn, you in love with the time, so we do it all over. Oh my god. Yo. Might as well try it out of a lung. Yeah.